So I'm going to talk about my JFrame here of my pastry management system. Yeah, so first of all we have our customer. We have the customer. Now this is the design. Now in the design I just my label, I put my label. For cost ID I put my text field for it. Then I did everything for that too. The label, this is for the label. You take your label here, you take your text field here. Then to create this table here, to create the table, you go here, you create your table, then you put your table content, you add and save. Now this is the JFrame itself. If I run this file now, yeah, this is it. So these are my design. Your cost ID, each customer need to have your ID, you need to have his name, put his contact info, his phone number, his email, his address. You add. If you want to add a customer, you add. If you want to save it, you save it. When you save it, to show in this table. Each customer will be shown in this table. Yeah, so this is for the this is basically it. Yeah, so this is for the customer. So we'll move over to the product. So for the product now, this is the structure. As we were saying, this is the structure. The same I did. I also took the label, put for product ID, put for product name, put for product price, put for category. Yeah, and also this button is gotten from here actually. I didn't say that before. Then the table, you also do the same for the table. If you run this file now, if you run this file, you'll see our JFrame itself, the structure. Yeah, so this is it. This is our JFrame. Normally if I've code everything, I've coded everything for my add save. If I should do that, you see if I add a product, if I put my product ID, put product name, put product price, category and description, if I add it to be added to the table. I'm sorry, if I save it, it will be added to the table. If I want to remove the data I put, I clear, then add. If I want to add a new thing, I press add. Yeah, so this is the structure for a product. Yeah, then we go to order. So this I also did the same for order. The same label, text field, label, text field. So this is talking about the structure. If I should run this file, yeah, so this is it. If I should run this file, so this is it. Yeah, so you have the order ID. You need to, for each order that the customer made, you need to get the ID. You need to get the customer ID, which customer made which particular customer made this order. Then you have to know the total amount that the customer bought. Then the status, if it's pending, completed or shipped, then you add it to save and you clear. To be shown in each order will be shown in this table. Yeah, so as if for order. Then we need to go for order details. Yeah, because each order we need to know the details for each order. So yeah, this is basically the order details. This is the structure. Yeah, like the same thing I did for it. Then if I should run this file, I'll get this the details. So each order detail needs its own ID. Yeah, then each order, because you're checking the order detail of an order. You understand? So you need to know the order detail, each order, the product that is each product, because each product is ordered. You understand? So you need to get the product ID of the product that is being ordered in that order. So it's unique. You need to check the quantity the customer bought. You need to check the unit price of it. So you add, save, clear. That's the same thing there. So now we are going to go to the last but not the least, the inventory. So this is the inventory. So yeah, this is the design of the inventory. The same thing I did. Yeah, and if I should run this file, you have the inventory ID. Yeah, we have the product, because inventory is like we check we make a save of everything that has been done in the company or in the stock, in the restaurants, of all the products. So this is the products. Each product, now you need to check, okay, what's the remaining product that we have, many items, number of items. So this is the stock quantity. Stock quantity will give you that. The last updated, you add, you save. So that is basically everything. Then everything will be in this table. Yeah, so that is basically everything. So this is my JFrame. Yeah, so you can also check the design of the inventory, the same thing we use for label and everything, the button. So this is it. Yeah.